Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. Okay, this is the official website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices drivers, and you can see this right hand side search button. Just click it and type your model number of your motherboard W880 AI top to click. Then guys hit enter, click on product, then see click on the title of motherboard, then guys click to support. You can see this is your motherboard. Then guys select your operating system Windows 10 11. So installations process both same Windows and 10, so Windows 10 and 11, select any. Okay, then guys Bluetooth. So you can see this is all versions there, so Bluetooth driver, and click to download. Now you can see this is downloading, wait few seconds to complete. It is completed. After that just open. Then guys it is done. Bluetooth driver, just single open, and this is exe. So double click to launch. This is exe. So extract a driver, you can extract to specific folder and then install, otherwise you can install directly. Then click to yes. For the installations need to administrator rights. Now you can see this is Bluetooth driver installing. It will close automatically, means this is installed. Close it.